You should be using these Windows 11 settings right now, 2023. I'll walk you through configuring Windows 11 settings in various categories to enhance your overall experience. We'll kick things off with adjusting Windows Update preferences. To begin, let's open the Settings app. You can do this by searching for Settings in the taskbar or simply use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus I. In the left panel, locate and select Windows Update. On the right side, click on Advanced Options. There are a couple of tweaks I recommend making here. Firstly, disable the Get Me Up to Date option. This is particularly helpful if you want to avoid your computer restarting abruptly after an update, especially when you're in the midst of an important task. Secondly, enable the Notify Me when restart is required to finish updating option. This ensures that you receive a notification when an update necessitates a restart, giving you more control over the process. Traditionally, Windows operating systems have featured a left-aligned Start button and pinned icons on the taskbar. However, with Windows 11, this default alignment shifts to centering these items. Fortunately, if you prefer the classic layout, you can easily revert to it. Here's how. On the taskbar, locate an empty space. Right-click on this empty space. From the context menu, select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down within the Taskbar Settings menu and click on Taskbar Behaviors. In the Taskbar Alignment section, click the drop-down menu. Change the alignment from center to left. It's a simple process, and you can switch back to the centered layout just as effortlessly whenever you prefer. Windows 11 has raised concerns about its increased data tracking compared to previous Microsoft operating systems. To enhance your privacy and limit the data collected, follow these steps. Open the Settings app, navigate to Privacy and Security, select General, disable any options that you don't require. In fact, you can safely turn off all of these settings. Now, let's continue with enhancing your privacy. Return to the Privacy and Security menu, scroll down and select Account Info. Turn off the option that allows apps to access your account info. Another essential step when setting up a new computer is removing unnecessary software, often referred to as bloatware. Here's how to do it through the Settings app. Go to Apps, click on Installed Apps. Review the list of installed programs and identify those you don't need. For each unwanted program, click on the three dots and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. By following these steps, you can safeguard your privacy and streamline your computer by eliminating unnecessary software. The default theme for Windows apps is set to light mode, but if you find it too bright for your liking, you can effortlessly switch to dark mode. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app, go to Personalization, select Colors. In the Choose Your Mode section, click the drop-down menu. Choose Dark. It's a much more comfortable option for many users. While we're in the Personalization section, let's address another aspect. Windows 11 introduced a Widgets panel in the taskbar that displays weather and news updates. Some people find it useful, while others consider it a distraction. To remove it, follow these steps. Scroll down within the Personalization menu. Click on the taskbar, find the toggle for widgets and switch it off. This way, you can customize your Windows 11 experience by choosing a theme that suits your preference and controlling the presence of the widgets panel in the taskbar. Windows 11 comes with its default power mode set to balanced. However, you might want to adjust this to better suit your preferences. Here's how you can do it. In the search bar, type Power and select Choose a Power Plan. If you're using a laptop and want to extend your battery life between charges, Power Saver is an excellent choice. If you don't see Power Saver listed, click on Show Additional Plans. Depending on your PC, you may have different plans available. High Performance and Ultimate Performance are ideal for situations where you need more power, such as gaming, video editing, or other resource-intensive tasks. By customizing your power plan, you can optimize your Windows 11 experience to match your specific usage needs, whether it's conserving battery life on a laptop or maximizing performance for demanding tasks. If you find those distracting notifications on Windows 11 annoying and want to regain your focus, you can manage them easily. Here's how. Open the Settings app, navigate to System, click on Notifications. At the top of the Notifications section, you have the option to turn off all notifications from apps and senders. If you prefer more granular control, scroll down and go through the list of apps and senders individually. Disable notifications for the ones that you find distracting or unnecessary. By customizing your notification settings, you can ensure that your Windows 11 experience is less disruptive and better tailored to your needs. Microsoft, as well as the programs and games you install, sometimes hide files and folders from you by default. Most people don't need to use them, but if you like to make changes, you may want to access these files in File Explorer. Here's how. Open File Explorer. Click on View at the top, hover your mouse over Show, select Hidden Items to put a check mark next to it. Now, you'll be able to see the hidden files and folders on your computer. In Windows, there's a useful feature called Storage Sense that can automatically free up space on your computer. To enable it, open Settings and select System. In the System section, go to Storage. In Storage Management, toggle the switch to turn on Storage Sense. Click into Storage Sense for additional settings. Here, you can adjust when it runs to clean up your files. The Start menu provides fast access to your computer's programs. Next to the power button, you can add shortcuts to different folders and apps like Downloads, Documents, Settings, and more. Here's how. Open the Settings app. Choose Personalization. Scroll down and click on Start. Under Folders, enable the ones you want to appear next to the power button. Once you've turned them on, go to the Start menu and you'll see those shortcuts there. If you're experiencing performance problems with Windows 11, one possible cause could be the visual effects. To adjust these settings, go to Search bar and type Advanced, click on View Advanced System Settings. In the Performance section, click Settings. In the Visual Effects tab, the default setting is Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. For better performance, you can choose Adjust for Best Performance, but it might make the interface look less appealing. Instead of doing that, I recommend selecting Custom. You might need to experiment a bit based on your computer's capabilities. Start by checking these four options first, and if necessary, try enabling or disabling the others one at a time to ensure it doesn't negatively affect your computer's performance. I'm going to give Microsoft a compliment. Their Edge web browser is pretty good. But if you like a different web browser more, it's now easier to make it the main one in Windows 11. Just go to Settings, pick Apps, then Default Apps. Find the web browser you prefer like Brave, click on it, and choose Set Default at the top right. You can do this with any web browser you've installed. If you have several computers, giving each of them a special name can help you locate them on your network more easily. Here's how to give your computer a custom name. Open Settings. In the System section, scroll down and click on About. In the upper right, select Rename this PC. Now, give your computer the name you prefer. Once you're done, click Next. To complete the change, click Restart Now. This will make the new name take effect. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to show your appreciation, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others. I'd also love to hear from you. Please share in the comments which settings you typically change when setting up a new PC. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay informed about Windows 11 updates and other tech-related content. System Secrets, signing off.